My dear brethren in the Lord, you may be going through some trial, but it seems like God is very far away. You have fasted, you have prayed, but it seems the more you pray, then the more your problems multiply for you, and you don't know what to do. But I have something for you, that there is this God who is safe, never lie, he never. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Highlife guitar class. My name is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to look at Hold On Fast, a gospel song from Bernice Offei. It is a request from one of our friends. So we are going to pick the song and learn to play the introduction. I will break this lesson into two: the rhythm aspect, the introduction aspect. So if you have not subscribed to my channel and you want to enjoy this piece of lessons, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then click on the notification so that you will not miss any lesson from this channel. Give me a thumbs up and then leave a comment at the comment section. Let's begin. We are going to look at the rhythm aspect of the song. Then we break the introduction and then the embellishment of the song. So the rhythm goes like the usual praises rhythm we have learned already. My dear brethren in the Lord, you may be going through some trials, but it seems like God is very far away. Okay, the song is played in D major. All right, D major. So D, G, D, and then E. A major like this. Like this. In some cases, if you listen to the rhythm very well, you will hear this is D dominant seventh. D dominant seventh. I hope you can see it very well. D dominant seventh. This is D dominant seventh. Hold on fast, don't let the devil lie to you. Remember, God loves you and he wants the best for you. So if you have not been practicing the finger picking techniques about praises, kindly look for the link to Highlife Guitar Gospel Praises with licks and then with finger pickings, and the others at the description, so that you can get these things at your fingertips. And then another thing that can also help you to learn some of these songs is try and listen very wide. Find the audio and then listen. You see or you hear what I am talking about. All right, so the rhythm. Okay. Hold on fast, don't let the devil lie to you. Remember, God loves you and he wants the best for you. That is a very nice song, and then the chord progression is like that. So G, D, A, D. In other words, we can say 4, 1, 5, 1, So 4 1 5 1. That is the chord progressions and then the rhythm. Very good. Now, before we move on to the intro, which is somehow complicated but simple, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then watch the video to the end so that you understand what I want to teach you. Leave a comment at the comment section. Let's continue. The introduction was played in thirds. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, okay, so, ti, la, do, okay, ti, re, then you get to do, mi. So if you don't know the text, that's how it is. What I am saying is, when we say the text, do moves with the mi, re moves with fa, mi moves with so, fa moves with la, so moves with ti, la goes with do, ti goes with re, then you get your do and then mi again. Good. So the guitarist started from this point. In fact, there are two positions on the guitar in which you can play the intro. And then the first one is like this. The second finger and then the first finger. So second first, third first, third first. Then you come to second first. Okay, like that. So it's like this. Then follow me. Then, okay, I hope you see it. Okay, that is so mi. Okay, so mi, la re, fa re, and then mi do. So mi, fa re, mi do. So the guitarist drag. You can drag from drag on the G string until you get your so here. Your so, that is A. Okay, the 14th fret on the G string. Okay, that part again. Okay, then the second part, he played. Then he played. He held the do and then the so, dragged the two to re and then la. Okay, like this. You can use any of your fingers. I feel comfortable using my first finger or my third finger. Okay, do re do ti, then fa or fa, fa. Let's take that part again. Then he plays. Then this point, he played, I believe he used his third finger, drag from re to mi. Okay. Okay. Re, mi, re, la, re, do. Re, mi, re, la, re, do. That's how it is. That's how it is. Because he was playing in thirds, and then in fifths. That's all. Are you confused? Let me play everything very slowly and well organized. Follow what I am doing. That's all about the intro. With time, watch the video as many times as you can. Follow what I did, you can play. Now let's look at the second position where you can play the same intro. But if you have not subscribed to my channel up to now, kindly hit on the subscribe button and share the videos. All right, let me have your comment at the comment section. Let's look at the second position. Now the 7th fret on the G string, we have D here. The 7th fret on the G string, there is D. Good, we have D. We have D. So its third is here, the mi is here, the re is here, fa is here, la is here, mi is here, so is here, ti is here. Then we get our do here. So like this, like this. You see, it is very simple and easy at this point. Is it clear? Good. Then the same thing we play. Then Very, very, very interesting guitar intro. It runs through, so listen to the audio very well, carefully, very, very, very carefully, and watch the video I have done for you. Compare, listen, then follow step by step like I have done, and you play this simple and then good and melodious introduction. Good. Let's repeat this, the middle here. Then he plays again. Simple. Asempa 8 here. Okay, I hope you have seen what I have done. Follow, listen, watch, practice. Let me have a feedback. On this note, we end here with today's lesson. We will come your way with another beautiful gospel lesson. Thank you.